Good morning, everyone. I'm Sharmila from CSE-E. Firstly, in my point of view, grammar and vocabulary plays a major role in one's life. As we are students of CSE-E, we have to be very much confident in our grammar and vocabulary. When we say something, it should be clear and it should be clear to the listener what we are speaking, so that we can be in the clear communication and we can go with the work easier. And here my real time experience in grammar and vocabulary is I have participated in an event which in that I have got second prize in grammar. And it has given me a lot of experience in exploring myself in that. So once again, I'm telling that grammar and vocabulary both plays a major role. We should be able to understand and we should be able to clear with that. And even we should solve many tests, and we should also help our friends to overcome the fear. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. I'm Rakshita. I'm 24KD1805B4. In my point of view, I want to say about grammar and vocabulary. Grammar is refers to the both. Grammar is nothing but a simple past tense. The all structures and rules. Without structures and rules, there will not be formed by any sentences. By the help of tenses and verbs, we can make any sentences and we can useful in the interviews. Uh, Grammar refers to the both. This grammar helps in the interviews, jobs, and this grammar and vocabulary will help in the interview in point of HRs and etc. They'll need to talk about that, and thank you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. I'm Sai Krishna from CSE. My register number 24KD1059. And today I want to tell about listen LS activity. And my point of view, listen and speak. Listen to speak activity means any video or any voice record we will listen, and what we learn and what we do and how do we learn, and how our mistakes will be recovered. And so we will learn all things with the, and what do you understand in the voice recording and video. So we will listen the voice recording carefully, and we will understand everything and every word. And video has the main part we will understand, and we will talk. Thank you, sir. Good morning to one and all. My name is S. Ravindra. I am from CSE session. Uh, Here I am to precipitate about learning to speaking. Here we should learn in the combination of vocabulary and grammar. When I was in, I attend for our first English lab. I feel some shy to explain my English, because I don't know how to speak fluent English with the help of vocabulary and grammar. By I learn through this learning to speaking, I saw a video, and I learn how to learn and how to speak with a combination of vocabulary and grammar. And I can properly now I can speak in our class, in our lab perfectly. I didn't feel any shy and blessed in front of our friends. So thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Architecture from CSE, second year. Mm, Here, I want to say about listening to speaking activity. For example, to give a speech, we have to learn grammar and vocabulary. And grammar and vocabulary is not two two parts. We learn like it like once. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Baladitya from CSE second year. Today, I want to tell about a listening and speaking activity. Today, I listen a video. In my perspective, grammar learning is not an easy. It's a easy way. Grammar by listening grammar and vocabulary, it's easy to get. In my perspective, by listening grammar and vocabulary in similar way simultaneously, it's easy to learn and easy to understand. Mm, my friend who got an interview, he knows only grammar, but in vocabulary he's poor. By learning that, he, after learning that, he's cracking an interview. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is Arman Kumar from CSE. My registration number is 509. Mm. And today I want to speak about, today I want to learn about, listen to speak on this topic. Listening to speak, I have learned a step that is grammar and vocabulary are learning together. It makes a person with good communication skills and good punctuation times, and good manners. It will be next. The will When we're learning a grammar without vocabulary, or we learning vocabulary without grammar, it seems to be um, what mean that it seems to be body without functioning of organs, or a mind absent, like a mind absent, body present. Uh, Let me give an example. Sorry, it's my life experience. I'm already in my experienced in my schooling time. On that time, I have a fear of grammar and vocabulary to speak with the teachers. Now I'm feeling some confidence by learning these two, and doing more practice and regularly. And thanks for giving this opportunity.
Good morning to everyone. I am Padmaja from CSE-E section and my roll number is 24KD 1805W9. And today's topic is about grammar and vocabulary. According to my point of view, grammar and vocabulary is easy when we practice daily and by reading articles or any books, we can improve our grammar and vocabulary. And also, um, grammar has some rules. By breaking the rules into a small things as we can understand, we can understand in very easily and overcome grammar and vocabulary. And grammar is the main and essential part in English, and it helps to make sentences in English. Coming to my challenges, what I have faced in my schooling, when I was in my 10th, um, there is grammar and vocabulary too. Uh, at that time, I faced difficult in grammar and vocabulary, uh, especially tenses. I felt like way to use in which sentence, for which sentence, which tense have to use in that particular situation. I felt confused. But now, by reading books and watching those YouTube videos, we can improve, and I overcome that. Coming to conclusion, um, I have realized that by understanding grammar and vocabulary helps me express myself as confident and accurate writing. Thank you.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Soni Sucharita and my roll number 5W3. And today I want to say about how to learn grammar and vocabulary easily, and to follow some rules and steps we can learn grammar easily. Uh, and like reading some novels or daily practice makes us to learn grammar and vocabulary very easily. And while learning from that sentence, then from that words we can attach them to sentences, and we can make a change which we have doing now, and we can correct our mistakes what we are doing now. And I have faced it a real time example, and this is my real time example. So far in my schooling or where I just faced some difficulty in writing and framing sentences with correct grammar and vocabulary. And through learning and practice, I just rectify and I solve my problem. And thank you.
Hi everyone, I am R. Prashanti from CSE-E section. My roll number is 24KD 1805. 5v6. I, I tell about grammar and vocabulary is important. Why grammar and vocabulary is important? To to form a sentence and overcome from fear. And grammar and vocabulary to learn daily, too easy to form a sentence and speaking and communicate with others. And in my 10th, some example, in my 10th class, I faced some problems in grammar and vocabulary. I'm not good in reading and writing in English. Uh, in 11th class, I study in English newspapers and novels and some articles. And then I overcome out of my fear. Uh, Thank you.